This 19-foot MFG, the mast step, is got a little rot in the wood up inside there. It's a little bit, has gotten bad, so that needs to be redone. That'd be the biggest chore. As far as fiberglass goes, there's the sails in that blue bag. Some new cushions, just needs the stuffing. And other than that, it's holding together pretty well. Just needs more hardware, and it's got the rigging, which really looks pretty decent. Been sitting with me for about 6 months or so, maybe a little bit longer. Got it last year, thinking I'd fix it up. Didn't quite get it fixed up for the summertime. I don't know if I'm gonna make it for next summer, so I'm thinking to let somebody else give it a try. It's definitely strong, definitely sound. And that's it. You know, it's a good boat though. Needs all this stuff though put in it. Unless you like sitting on fiberglass, which hey, ain't all that bad. The battery box and the throttle for the engine. Mast, it looks like it's in good condition to me. Good aluminum there, if nothing else. A little bit of hardware on it. Probably use some more. But it's got the engine mount, the transom, and the rudder mount. It needs a tiller. I don't have a tiller or a pattern for the tiller. I do have the rudder. Make a pattern for the rudder. See, I'd be out on the water on this if I just had it going. Trailer's in very usable, very decent condition for its age. Here's the rudders back there. See the rudder. So you got a pattern to make it. Winch, I haven't unwinched it yet, so I don't know about it. But a little oil ought to spruce it up. Fixed keel design. Good strong keel there. I wouldn't hesitate going up close to show that. The tires hold there. The lights, in order to get it here, I had just rigged up some wires on both sides and got the lights working. Here's the rigging. There's one little bend in one of them, I think, but I was going to put it up just like it is. It looks, you know, it's pretty good. It comes down. It's got essentially everything. It would need new straps on the side. There's a boat. Cushions, sails, decent condition, but just a couple of small, definitely fixable tears in a full set of sails. Come get it. 800's yours.